getting ready to spray on the base coat metallic. We're using the Twilight Blue metallic. How it gets mixed is 100 parts base coat, 50 parts reducer, and then 10 parts activator. And then here's a nice way of mixing it, so when you have a full quart of paint, if you don't want to get paint, most people will just pour the paint out. What I like to do is I like to take the stick. Sticks have a little curvature to them, and you can use the stick and use it as as far as filtering out the paint, my cups that I'm using are the RPS cups from Sada, and they have a filter that I put in the lid.